In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept Google Drive request. If someone tries to open a file you own or can share and doesn't have permission, Google will send you a request to grant access. You can approve that request right away, either from the email you receive or directly inside Google Drive. I'll walk you through both methods so you can choose the one that's most convenient. The quickest way is from your email. Open your Gmail inbox and look for a message with a subject like Request for Access. Open that email and you'll see a button that says Open or Share. Click it to bring up the sharing options for the specific file or folder. Now choose the permission level you want to grant. Viewer if they only need to read, commenter if they should be able to leave feedback, or editor if they need full editing control. Take a second to pick the level that best matches what the person needs. When you're ready, click Send. That's it. Access is granted immediately, and the person will receive a confirmation email. You can also approve requests right inside Google Drive. Open Google Drive in your browser and locate the file or folder in question. If you have a lot of files, use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Right-click the item and choose Share. In the sharing window, you'll see a section for pending requests. The person who asked for access should appear there. Click their name, set the appropriate permission, viewer, commenter, or editor, and then click Send. This approves their request directly without needing to go back to your email. Once you accept, the requester gets an email letting them know they now have access. They can open the file right away, and what they can do inside it depends on the permission you chose. If they don't see the update immediately, a quick refresh usually fixes it. A few important tips to keep in mind. You must be the owner or have sharing rights to approve requests. Otherwise, you won't see the option to grant access. If you ignore a request, access is not granted. You can also decline a request if the person shouldn't see the file. And if you ever change your mind, open the share window again and adjust or remove their permission level at any time.